One fine day, a person named John woke up from his bed. He went to check his phone. To his surprise, the phone's touchscreen wasn't responding to his actions. He took the phone to a local repair shop, but they also couldn't figure out what was the problem. John had a very important meeting the next day, and the phone was a necessity for it. After going through some other shops, he gave up. At night, he forgot his phone at the window and slept. The very next morning, when he checked his phone, it was working perfectly. Later, when he searched online for why this happened, he found that due to cold, an issue could appear to a touchscreen. Now that we've seen the mysterious repair that got John's phone working again, let's dive deeper into how touchscreens actually function. There are mainly two types of touchscreens. 1. Resistive touchscreen. It consists of two main layers. One is resistive, and the other is conductive. The upper layer is usually made of plastic, and the lower one is made of glass. These layers are separated by a small gap. When the device is turned on, both layers conduct current. When a touch occurs on the upper layer, it pushes down, making contact with the lower layer. This completes a circuit, resulting in a change in current flow. The processor of the device detects this change and performs the specified action. Resistive touchscreens are more affordable and durable but don't support multi-touch. 2. Capacitive touchscreen. This type also consists of two main layers, typically both made of glass, and they act like a capacitor. When you touch the upper layer, it releases some electric current to your finger, causing a slight drop in voltage in the area. The processor is designed to detect such voltage changes. It identifies the source and executes the specified action. Capacitive touchscreens are slightly more expensive and less durable but support multi-touch and offer more precise touch actions.